Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today in this lecture we will discuss about the position of elements in the modern periodic table. So the modern periodic table was given to us by the scientist named as Henry Moseley in 1917. Okay, in 1913. Okay, so we will discuss about how he arranged all the elements in today's lecture. Okay, so the modern periodic table has 18 vertical columns called as groups. Okay, and 7 horizontal 7 horizontal rows known as periods. Okay students, so let us see what decide the placing of an element in a certain group and certain period. So we will do one activity based on that. Activity is, first look at the group 1 of the modern periodic table and name the elements present in it. So the group 1 contains hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Okay students, FR. Write down the electronic configuration of the first 3 elements. So the electronic configuration is like 1, so it is 2, 1, it will be 2, 8, 1. So what similarity do you find in their electronic configuration is that they all have one valence electrons in their outermost shell. So if you write the electronic configuration of all the elements of group 1, you will see that all elements will have the one valence electrons in their outermost shell. So you will find that the elements present in the any one group, so what you will find is you will find that the elements in the in one group have the same number of valence electrons. So this activity we have done for only for group 1, and you can also check your different groups have the same number of valence electrons. Okay, so for example, elements like fluorine, chlorine belongs to group 17. So how many electrons? So fluorine atomic number is 9, so it has 2, 7, and chlorine has 17, 2, 8, 7. So they have 7 valence electrons in their outermost shell. So this is how the position of elements in the modern periodic table was decided. So you will find that these elements do not have the same number of some elements like lithium, beryllium in the when you see along the period that you will find. So when you go across the period, let's say period 2, the elements were lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon are present in the second period. Okay, so if you write down the atomic electronic configuration, so you will find that these elements do not have the same number of valence electron, but they contain the same number of shells. So that is why they are arranged in a single period. So okay, so that is why on moving from one unit to left, they are arranged in a and atomic number increases. So it has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I make the electronic configuration like this is 2 comma 2, this is 2 comma 3, this is 2 comma 4, nitrogen 2 comma 5, oxygen 2 comma 6, fluorine 2 comma 7, and this is 2 comma 8. So you can see that the electronic configuration means the valence electrons are not the same in case of periods, but they have second shell. They all are in like these shells KLMN, so they all belong to the shell L. Okay, so that is why they are arranged in a single period. So that is how the scientists arrange the elements in a period and a group. Okay, so students, now I hope that you are pretty clear about how the elements, position of the elements were determined in the modern periodic table. So in the next lecture we will discuss about the trends in the modern periodic table, students. So stay tuned for the next lecture on trends in the modern periodic table. Thank you, happy learning.